Hello everyone. Today, I will share with you a great way to make the ocean simple and efficient. It's not a complex ocean system or traditional two-layer material method. Okay, and then you see this. After modeling this model, let's take a look. This water surface, we can use it as a common material. We give it a blue color of the sea. Okay. Then, we can make it darker. Then, our coastline definitely isn't like this. Right? Why do we use ordinary materials to do it? Okay, let's start talking now. We find the decal. Find the wall dirt, Then we put it on the ground. Look. On the sea. This sticker can be placed on this ordinary material, but not on the water. So, if we want to make renderings, we can use the blogger's method to do it. We first change the size from 15 meters to 15,000 or 30,000. Make it larger. Then we need to pay attention to a problem. For this sticker, you see its x-axis is vertical. We should try to minimize the vertical part, such as 2 meters. That's fine, because we may plant trees on it later. You can take a look. If we plant trees in this area, if you adjust the sticker too high, it will make the tree will be covered by the material of the sticker, so everyone should pay attention to it. The height of the z-axis, and then in this, the height of the z-axis is the x-axis, Then we take the beach of our sea surface. Then click on the basic color map, and copy this texture. Then click the flower owner color map and copy it to the flower sticker color texture. Then we find this texture. We can just delete it. Then turn on the 3-phase mapping. And the value here is 0.2, We don't need to adjust the UV, because it's not obvious. Let's just do it like this, Then it looks very natural. Then you can use Ctrl+D to copy it, or you can use Shift to drag the little yellow dot to copy it along the X and Y axis. Then, if you think they are all too similar, you can rotate it. If you don't want to rotate, you can duplicate it. It makes the coastline look different. For example, then we copy one. Try this again, and then all the way to here. And it's the same all the way here. If you think it's not suitable, you can add more pieces. The beach is like this. The beach is like this. It won't be perfect. This effect, I believe everyone will be satisfied with the result. Then we will talk about how to make the water. Because the water can't just use a basic color, right? Then we'll do the edge. Everyone can follow this method. Then we delete the sticker. After deleting it, let's find my previous image. Let's take a look at the previous image. I hid all the plants. And then I show the plants, This is the method we just used, using this sand to make the coastline very delicate. You can see that after hiding. This is what it looks like after hiding. It looks like this. Then we click render. Click on let's just go for 2K. Then we still need to bring the channels. And then click render. Okay, let's first apply the whole image. Click on AI Image Post-Production and Image Enhancement. Okay. Okay, then we click on Local Redraw. Click Local Redraw. Then we click on the water body, and click on the comp motion. Click the arrow. Okay, we click on this blue position, which is the water position. Okay, then click Local Retouch. Okay, and then let's look at the water surface. Okay, then we download it. Then we see something in Photoshop. You may encounter this problem. Okay, look, this is what we rendered. And this is the one we VI processed. Let me tell you a problem we encountered. Our channels is still based on the position without stickers. So, our channels for the water surface are useless. Then let's talk about it. Our PS. The roof is broken, right? Which is a CI image. The roof is rotten. We select the color channel. Select the image without AI on the roof. And check it. Bring it to the top. And the roof will be fixed. Okay, then let's work on it. How to select this sea surface? My method is to use the quick mask. Press Q on PS. Then our layer will turn red. Then press B to select the brush and use a black brush. And you can paint a red mark. Okay, let's try our best. Near the edge. Just click a little bit. Don't be too hard on yourself to be accurate, okay? And in this state, we press Q again. It will become a selection, right? Then we press Ctrl and click the check mark and copy it. Look, it's probably a C situation. The only thing that needs to be changed is which is that everyone thinks is a bit too green. We can use Ctrl加B or Ctrl加U to make the hue to the blue side, right? To the blue side. Okay, it will be much better. Then we can simply edit it. The sea surface, especially on this side, it should be getting deeper and shallower near the shore. So let's simply edit it. Click on this linear gradient. Let's start with the water. Okay, let's process the water. We make it a little bit bluer here. Then lower the exposure. It's indeed a little deeper here. Okay. Look. Do you feel like it's coming from the deep sea? And here where the sunlight comes in, we can increase the exposure a little bit. Because this side is the direction of light, we still need to respect the laws of physics. And here, we reduce the exposure a little bit. The bottom is the same. The bottom is also far from the brightest part. So we still need to reduce the exposure. Then, you can click on the optics section and add a vignette, okay? This will also make it look, to make the ocean look better, right? More beautiful. Then, this is the method. And how to choose it will also be shared with you. I'll share with you. You can follow the host. I will share more in the future. And sharing more tips. Thank you all.